Hey baby. Would you like to also give a personal name to your Siri assistant on your iPhone with iOS 18? Then don't forget to watch this video until the end. So, to do this trick, as a first step, we would need to open settings on our phone and then click on the search bar that you can see at the upper part of your phone. Here, we would need to enter word which is named vocal to find the option which is named vocal shortcuts. So, I'll start typing it in, and here we can see the first option which is the vocal shortcuts. So, we would need to click on it. And here immediately click on this button, set up vocal shortcuts. Then here we would need to click continue. And now here at the list which is named choose action, we would need to scroll down to the tab which is named system. You can see it right here. So here we would need to scroll down almost to the end of this tab to find this option which is named Siri. Here is it, it's nearly at the bottom. So we would need to click on it and here enter the command name. So for example, if you would like to name your Siri Barbie, here we would need to enter Hey Barbie. Now when you are done, click on your keyboard this blue button which is saying go. And now we would need to teach our iPhone to recognize this phrase by saying it 3 times. So we would need to say, Hey Barbie. Hey Barbie. Hey Barbie. And this is it. Now you can see this notification which is saying that the action is ready, and let's click continue and test it. So I'll go to my home screen and now just say, Hey Barbie. Hey Barbie. And here you can see that with a little delay, you'd be able to talk to your Siri with the name Barbie. How are you doing? And this is it. I hope this video was helpful for you and have a great day.